Everyone's talking about Amazon, but Walmart just quietly dropped something even bigger. In this video, we're counting down 20 insane Walmart deals you can grab right now this October. Number 20. LG 65-inch C5 Series TV. Save up to 42%. Now only $1,446, down from $2,499. LG's C5 Series is a performance powerhouse with brightness booster tech that amplifies every pixel for stunning realism. With 8.3 million self-lit OLED pixels, you get perfect black, pure color, and cinematic depth in any light. Powered by the Alpha 9 AI Gen 8 processor, it delivers ultra-smooth motion and adaptive sound through AI Picture Pro and super upscaling. Plus, the award-winning WebOS platform unlocks 300-plus free channels and up to 5 years of updates. An elite home theater upgrade at a price that won't last long. Grab yours before it's gone. Before moving to our next gadgets, please subscribe to our channel. Number 19. Shark IQ Robot Vacuum. Save up to 44%. Now just $280, down from $499. The Shark Matrix IQ Robot Vacuum combines raw power with intelligence, boasting multi-surface cleaning and a self-emptying base that stores 60 days of dust and debris. Its advanced 360-degree LiDAR vision maps your entire home with precision, detecting obstacles and avoiding collisions for stress-free cleaning. With Matrix Clean technology, it covers every corner methodically for a deep clean. Control it from anywhere using the Shark Clean app and schedule your routine with a tap. High-tech cleaning has never been this easy or this affordable. Don't miss this deal. Number 18. Hyper E-Ride Electric Bike. Save up to 52%. Now just $337, down from $698. The Hyper E-Ride is the perfect mix of power and freedom. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame, front and rear V-brakes, and a shock-absorbing suspension fork for smooth rides anywhere. Its 6-speed Shimano shifter gives total control, while the 250-watt brushless motor and 280.8 watt-hour battery deliver up to 20 miles of range on a quick 4-hour charge. Stylish, powerful, and built to last, grab yours before this deal rides away. Number 17. Lenovo IdeaPad 5i. Save up to 56%. Now only $399, down from $899. The Lenovo IdeaPad 5i is your all-in-one solution. For work, study, and entertainment, powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra processor, it offers 360-degree versatility with a stunning 14-inch WXGA touchscreen and Dolby audio speakers for immersive viewing and sound. With 8 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD, you'll experience smooth performance and fast multitasking. The 2V low blue light display keeps your eyes comfortable during long hours, and the sleek, lightweight design makes it perfect for travel or desk setups alike. A premium laptop at a price that's too good to ignore. Number 16. WorkPro Drill Driver and Toolbox. Save up to 45%. Now just $56, down from $103. The WorkPro Drill Driver and Toolbox is the ultimate compact companion for every home project. From quick furniture fixes to serious DIY builds. Weighing only 1.65 pounds, it's easy to handle yet powerful enough to tackle tough jobs. Its 0 to 800 RPM variable speed motor gives precision control, while the rubberized grip ensures comfort and stability. This all-in-one kit includes every essential bit and tool you'll need for repairs, hanging, or assembling. Lightweight, durable, and built for everyday convenience. Grab it now before the price drills its way back up. Number 15. Element French Door Refrigerator. Save up to 36%. Now $999, down from $1,569. Keep your kitchen fresh and functional with the Element French Door Refrigerator, a perfect blend of style, storage, and smart cooling. Its adjustable glass shelves make organizing easy, while energy-efficient LED lighting brightens every corner. Ice Maker Ready compatibility means you can produce up to 2.7 pounds of ice daily, and humidity-controlled crispers keep fruits and veggies fresh for days. With sleek French doors and quiet operation, this fridge brings premium design to everyday life. The smart choice for families, and an even smarter deal while it lasts. Number 14. Apple AirPods. Save up to 34%, now only $118, down from $179. Apple's iconic AirPods Pro take sound to the next level with active noise cancellation, adaptive audio, and transparency mode for total control of what you hear. Enjoy up to 4 hours of listening or 20 hours with the charging case. Sweat, dust, and water resistant, these AirPods are ready for workouts, travel, and daily calls. The personalized spatial audio wraps you in rich, immersive sound, while wireless charging keeps things simple and fast. Premium sound, sleek design, and a massive discount. This is your sign to upgrade. Number 13. Sonic Electric Toothbrush. Save up to 71.8%, now just $11, down from $39. The Sonic Electric Toothbrush turns daily brushing into a dentist-level clean. It removes 99.9% of plaque, offering 5 precision modes for cleaning, whitening, gum care, and more. With a built-in 2-minute timer and 30-second reminder for perfect brushing. A quick 2-hour charge lasts an incredible 45 days, and it comes with 8 W-shaped brush heads, a travel bag, and a waterproof design for easy use anywhere. Stylish, powerful, and smart. This is oral care redefined at a price that'll make you smile. Number 12. Samsung Galaxy Tab, a 7. Save up to 41%, now only $134, down from $229. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 brings big entertainment in a slim, stylish body. Featuring a 10.4-inch wide display and quad Dolby Atmos speakers, it delivers cinematic visuals and immersive sound. The long-lasting battery life keeps you connected all day, while 32 GB storage and seamless Galaxy ecosystem integration make it perfect for streaming, browsing, and productivity. Light, durable, and loaded with premium features, it's your portable media hub at an unbeatable price. Whether for work or fun, this deal is too good to scroll past. Number 11. Mikolo Smith Machine. Save up to 75%, now $749, down from a massive $2,999. The Mikolo Smith Machine is a complete home gym powerhouse, built from commercial-grade steel to support up to 2,200 pounds. It's equipped with a power cage, cable crossover, dip bars, pull-up bar, and attachments for over 200 exercises, offering full-body training right at home. From bench presses to lat pull-downs, this all-in-one machine delivers professional performance and unmatched versatility. Durable, sleek, and gym-grade. This is the fitness deal of the season for serious lifters. Number 10. Car Jump Starter. Save up to 72%. Now just $35, down from $129. This compact car jump starter packs serious power in your glove box, delivering 1,500 amps of peak current to jumpstart 12-volt vehicles up to 6.0-liter gas or 4.0-liter diesel engines in seconds. Dual USB outputs keep your devices charged, while 400-lumen LED modes, normal, strobe, SOS, add safety in emergencies. With 10 advanced safety protections, it's built for reliability. Lightweight, portable, and ready for any road trip, it comes with jumper cables, USB cord, and a carry case. Stay powered, stay prepared. This deal's a lifesaver on wheels. Number 9. Samsung Galaxy Watch. Save up to 51%, now $99, down from $199. The Samsung Galaxy Watch FE turns fitness into motivation. With Galaxy AI, it tracks body fat, muscle mass, and hydration, while creating personalized heart rate zones that adapt as you train. Monitor ECG and real-time heart readings to stay in tune with your health, and improve sleep with the AI-powered sleep coach that evolves with your habits. Sleek, durable, and packed with smart insights, this watch keeps you connected and confident day and night. Number 8. Outdoor Patio Box. Save up to 50%. Now only $84, down from $169. The Outdoor Patio Box is your stylish storage solution for every season, offering a 100-gallon capacity to store garden tools, cushions, or sports gear. Built from durable, weather-resistant materials, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor spaces. The secure fit lid keeps contents safe from dust and moisture, while built-in handles make it easy to move anywhere. Functional, elegant, and tough, this deck box blends storage with design. Don't miss this deal before it disappears. Make your patio clutter-free today. Number 7. Morrean Electric Wheelchair. Save up to 71%. Now just $589, down from $1,999. The Morrean electric wheelchair is built for power and comfort on any terrain. With a 300-pound capacity and sturdy aluminum frame, it delivers stability and safety every ride. Dual 250-watt motors and a 24-volt 20-amp-hour battery offer up to 25 miles per charge, while dual suspension, all-terrain tires, and intelligent braking keep things smooth and steady. The 17.5-inch wide seat adds extra comfort for daily use or long outings. Strong, quiet, and reliable. It's freedom on wheels for a price that rolls away fast. Number 6. Costway Washing Machine. Save up to 47%. Now only $264.99, down from $499. The Costway washing machine combines modern tech with total convenience. Its built-in heating function with 4 temperature settings removes tough stains effortlessly. Perfect for baby clothes and delicates. A child lock and lid lock add peace of mind, while the Smart Panel offers 8 wash programs and 3 water levels to match any load. Compact, energy efficient, and ideal for apartments or RVs, this washer proves big performance can come in a small package. Number 5. Mini Massage Gun. Save up to 57%. Now just $38, down from $89. This mini massage gun delivers pro-level relief in the palm of your hand. With a heat-conducting steel head and 3,000 RPM brushless motor, it melts away muscle tension fast. Choose from 4 intensity levels and 4 silicone heads to target neck, back, or legs. A single charge lasts 10 to 12 hours, and its smart auto-off feature prevents overuse. Weighing just 0.78 pounds, it's travel-ready, quiet, and powerful. The perfect recovery tool for athletes and everyday use alike. Number 4. Mikolo Sewing Machine. Save up to 55%. Now just $35, down from $79. The Mikolo sewing machine is the compact powerhouse every home crafter needs. Whether you're patching clothes, creating decor, or starting DIY projects, its handy stitch options make sewing effortless. The 4-step buttonhole feature gives clean professional finishes every time. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for small spaces or quick repairs on the go. Simple to use, yet surprisingly powerful, this machine turns creativity into reality without breaking the bank. Number 3. Mini Chainsaw. Save up to 60%. Now only $27, down from $69. The Mini Chainsaw packs serious cutting power in a lightweight frame. Equipped with a pure copper motor, it delivers smooth, efficient cuts every time. With tool-free setup and quick tension adjustment, you're ready to go in seconds. Includes 2 21-volt batteries and 2 sharp chains for non-stop performance. Built-in safety features and a one-hand ergonomic design make it safe and easy to control anywhere. Number 2. Robotic Pool Cleaner. Save up to 65%. now $89, down from $259. Keep your pool sparkling clean with this cordless robotic cleaner that boosts efficiency by 50% thanks to its dual filtration system. Powered by dual motors and a 3,200 mAh battery, it runs for 80 minutes on a quick 3-hour charge. Once done, it smartly auto-parks at the pool's edge for easy pickup. It captures everything from sand to leaves across 645 square feet of surface. Hassle-free cleaning just got futuristic. Grab this deal before it dives away. Number 1. Electric Tea Kettle. Save up to 65%. Now only $27, down from $99. This electric tea kettle is the ultimate travel companion for tea, coffee, or soup lovers on the go. Compact, lightweight, and travel-friendly, it boils water fast. Perfect for the office, dorm, hotel, or road trips. The Cool Touch double wall keeps the exterior safe to handle, while auto shut-off and boil-dry protection ensure worry-free use. Designed for efficiency, it heats just the right amount for a quick cup or two, saving both time and energy. Sleek, smart, and portable, your daily sip just got easier. Don't sleep on these deals, they won't last long. If you found something you like, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because Walmart's next wave of crazy discounts is just around the corner. See you in the next one.